In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom signature on Gmail Google Workspace. Let's get started inside your Gmail inbox. First, open the quick settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This opens a sidebar with common options. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page, which gives us access to everything we need for signatures. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the signature section. This is where you manage all your signatures. Click Create New to make a fresh one. Gmail will ask you to give your signature a name. This name is just for you to organize things behind the scenes. Think of something clear like primary, work, or short reply, then click Create. A signature editor will appear with a blank canvas on the right. Go ahead and type the content you want to appear at the end of your emails. Most people include their full name, job title, company, and general contact details, along with a website or scheduling link. Use the formatting toolbar to make it clean and professional. Adjust fonts and sizes, add bold for your name, insert links so recipients can click through to your site, and if appropriate, add a small logo or social icons. Keep it readable and lightweight. Minimal images and simple formatting tend to look best across different email clients. Aim for 2 to 6 lines so it's informative without overwhelming the message. Once your content looks good, set when Gmail should use it by default. So for new emails use, open the dropdown and select the signature you just created. This tells Gmail to automatically attach it to brand new messages. Next, look for on reply forward use and choose the same signature if you want it to appear on replies and forwards as well. Some people prefer a shorter version for replies to keep threads tidy. If that's your style and you've created a shorter signature, select it here. Otherwise, pick the same one you just made. When everything is set, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That's the key step. Without saving, your settings won't take effect. From now on, Gmail will apply your selected signature automatically based on the defaults you chose, and you can still switch or edit it anytime in settings. That's it. You've created a polished Gmail signature in Google Workspace. Keep it concise, make links clickable, and revisit it periodically to keep details up to date. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.